Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike from the Focus Garage here, and today we're coming at you from the interior of the GTI. We've got a very quick and easy video for you here. It's going to require absolutely zero tools, just your hands, and we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter inside of that glove box. Now, you may be asking, how often do you want to do this? It's going to greatly depend on the type of driving you do and the type of filter that you're using. If you're using an activated charcoal filter like the part number that I've got here, you're going to want to go ahead and change that more often, because if you don't, the charcoal will stop working and you'll have weird smells in your interior. If you're using a traditional filter, you can go a little bit longer between the intervals. Also, if you do drive in a dusty climate, you're going to want to go ahead and change this filter more often, because it's going to get more dirty and more kind of gummed up here. So we're going to jump right into it here. I'll go over where I got this filter and kind of what it all looks like after we go ahead and shoot the installation here. So very easy. You're going to want to go ahead, open up your glove box. Inside of the glove box, we'll grab the light here. We've got two little tabs, one up on the left-hand side there, and another up on the right-hand side there. You're going to want to go ahead and push those tabs inwards. I'll show you real quick here. Just like that. You just push it in, one on each side, and you're going to be able to drop that out of the car. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and we'll hop right back. Now that I've got the glove box out of the way, you can see here it's very easy. You've got this tab up right here, and then you've got a matching one on the other side. You're just going to push those in, and you can release this glove box from the lower section. Now, once you're in here, it's very easy. You've got the access panel right here, and it's just held on with a couple of clips. So you're going to want to go ahead and release these clips and pull this cover out of the way, and you'll be faced with your cabin air filter. And in case you were wondering what type of clips I'm talking about, it's just the three along the top here. So there's a tab there, a tab there, and a tab there. You want to go ahead and push them downwards to release them from the vehicle. Once you've got them down, go ahead and watch here. Filter door will come off, and we're left with the filter. So the one thing you're going to want to pay attention to is the direction of airflow on this filter. So we've got the air with an arrow pointing downwards here. So when we go ahead and we pull this one out, we're going to make sure that we put the new one with the same arrow pointing down there, just so you're in the right direction, and then you are ready to roll. So we're going to pull this filter out and see what we're looking at. Sorry for that there. We've got the old filter out here, and it's not that bad. You can see we've got some leaves and some small debris in it. Inside the cracks, there's a little bit of dirt, but it's not as bad as I expected it to be. This one's been in here for about 15,000 miles, but I have not changed it since I bought the car. So I did not know if this was changed out by the previous owner or the dealership. So I just wanted to go ahead and make sure that I was taking care of it for myself. So here's the old one removed. Here's the new one right back in its place. You can see the filter with the arrows pointing downwards right there. And then we're just going to go ahead, slip this cover right back in, flip the glove box back up by using those two tabs there, and then we are good to go. So give me just a second here and we will wrap this one up. I've gone ahead and reinstalled the cover in the glove box, and I've popped the hinges back into place, and the little tabs are resecured. So you can see glove box is nice and dampened and falls normally, and nothing is out of place there. That's going to wrap it up on this one. It really is that simple to install one of these filters in your vehicle. And that is going to wrap it up for this one. So you can see here, if you're interested in the part number I use, it is a man filter, which is an OEM replacement. And there's the part number down there for you. I went ahead and I purchased this filter through FCP Euro, and one of the great things about FCP Euro is that all of their parts have a lifetime warranty replacement on them. So even for regular maintenance interval items like a cabin air filter, when this filter goes bad for its next interval and I'm ready to change it out, all I got to do is send back the old one and I get a lifetime replacement on this one here. So that'll take care of that. If you do have any questions on how this job was done, I assure you it's very easy. No hand tools. It'll take you maybe 10 to 15 minutes if you've never done it before, and that's it. You'll be breathing fresher air in your cabin, and you won't have to worry about it till your next service interval. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. If not, this is Mike from the Focus Garage signing off, and I will catch you guys in the next video.